Today I want to show you the first assembling before usage. We start to open the interconnector. Make it very carefully because the electronic is inside and should come out. So let's keep the electronic inside. Then you take the pipe, open the end, and then then you need more cable. You can shift that on the cable because you have untied the fixing. Well, then you have the cable outside. Here is a connector for the electrode. Open the electrode. Then, of course, we have to read the manual how to use this. Okay, now it's clean it with a tissue, normal kitchen tissue. Make it very soft. Then, if it's clean, you should open the case with a little knife. It's inside here. Push that away. And after that, we don't need that anymore, of course. And after that, we can go on with assembling. Inside pH-Gun, tighten it, not too hard. Then you have a little notch over there. That should go into the connector. It's only one way to put there. Then keep the cable tight and only turn the shift ring. So that should be good. So fix it. Put this away. You should tighten it again. It should be very hard. Not too hard, but of course high enough to be sure that that everything is safe. Tighten the cable fixing. After that, tighten the grip. And to make it a little bit more, do it like that. After this, the hardware is done, and you should take your iPod and activate the hardware for the usage.